So here we are looking at combining polynomials. So let's just say we have something that looks like x squared plus 2x plus 1. And what we want to do is we want to add this to maybe 3x cubed minus 4x squared plus 5. Now the idea here is simply combine like terms. So the only idea is to combine like terms. So let's just rewrite this and say that it's x squared plus 2x plus 1, and then we're going to, and let me just make a new color, just circle it so we can say plus this entire thing left over. And you know what? Let's move this plus over just a little bit so we can make more room, because this is x cubed and not x squared, so we can't line those up. So let's put that as 3x cubed minus 4x squared. We don't have any x's, so we'll just skip that and put plus 5. And now all we have to do is add them all together, because again we are adding. Okay, if it was subtracting, we'll do that in a second, but you'll see that all the signs will change. So this will be a positive 6 because we have 6 positives. This little beastie just comes down as a plus 2x. And then, well, here we have 1x squared and 4 negatives x squared. So if we looked at this, what we'd have is 1 positive and 1, 2, 3, 4 negative, so we can cross that out. So that would be 3 negative x squares. And then this little beastie just pops down. And we know it's positive. So our solution, if you want to call it that, is 3x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x plus 6. And there might be more things you can do with that, but for now, that's sufficient. So if we look at another type, in which case we are looking at a subtraction type of problem. So let's do the same exact problem, except this time we'll make sure that we use subtraction. So this is x squared plus 2x plus 1, and we'll subtract or lop off 3x cubed minus 4x squared plus 5. Just want to make sure I copied it all correctly. And now let's go through it. So here we go, and let's rewrite it. So x squared plus 2x plus 1, and then I'm just going to go subtract all of this, right? But again, we have to move this over, right? So let's just do that real quick. Boom, boom. And now let's make room for that. Let's put this in blue again. So this would just be our 3x cubed, and then we can put in our minus 4x squared and our plus 5. And now let's just close our parenthesis. Just thought I chose black there for a second. Okay, so now we have this scenario. But what is this scenario really? Well, it's the same thing, except you'll notice that all the signs in the bottom expression are all going to change. So instead of it being plus, negative, and plus, they should all change. So this will be negative 3x cubed. Let me just move that, because that doesn't look really nice. Whoops. Okay, let's just erase it and put it over here. And then we're going to subtract off. Oh, are we going to? Nope, we have to add, right? So that'll be 4x squared. And then we don't do anything here, and then this would be lop off 5. So when we combine all these together, we have negative 3x cubed plus 5x squared plus 2x minus 4.